Good morning. Hi, guys. This is Crypto Jeks, and you know how we do it. Every day, we show you how to take advantage of the best opportunities in the crypto space. For some time now, a whole lot has been going on in the crypto space. Bitcoin moving from $19,000 all the way to $23,000. Yes, you heard me right. One Bitcoin right now, you know, it touched almost close to $24,000 a couple of days ago. You can see the chart here. You can see the chart. Here is it. Exactly at 24,000, 24, almost $24,000. Yes, that's how much Bitcoin went. And now we're beginning to see some atom of retracement. Yes, this is normal because we trade crypto, we monitor the crypto space, we monitor the crypto market. So this is a normal trend in the market. As you can see, the market is actually on the longest wave, and you expect to see a pushback to 22,000. If it breaks below 22,000, then it's coming back to 21,000 before taking off again. All right. So this is well prepared for, and that is what you're going to learn when you join our crypto training program. We're going to show you how to analyze the market like this. All right. So why is Bitcoin going all the way high? Honestly, like if you've watched my previous videos, a couple of weeks ago, Bitcoin was still around $18,000 thereabout. I was talking about how Bitcoin is being underpriced. Bitcoin, even at $100,000, is still underpriced, all right, because of the value, okay, and the demand for Bitcoin, all right, all right. Now, PayPal did something a couple of months ago in October. They bought 70% of all the Bitcoin that was mined for that month. And PayPal is not the only big firm doing this. Major firms like JP Morgan, major firms, other major firms across the world are buying Bitcoin. So all the Bitcoins that are mined that is supposed to circulate in the Bitcoin blockchain or in the Bitcoin ecosystem is being bought off by major firms. So a couple of firms are actually planning on buying almost 10% of all the Bitcoins that will be mined. So imagine what happens as this firm, they are buying up this Bitcoin, they are keeping it in their own storage wallets. They are not actually, it's not circulating, it's not leaving their hands, so soon. So what happens is that there's going to be less and lesser Bitcoin circulating around the world. And as the demand for Bitcoin grows, that is why the price is just skyrocketing. All right. So there's a whole lot of predictions about Bitcoin between now and September next year to be around $200,000 or more. And I can tell you that is very, 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 very correct, very normal because as the demand for Bitcoin is growing, as major corporations continue to buy off Bitcoin that are being mined, and we have and the circulation across the globe continues to shrink, the demand is high, definitely the price is going to run. So very soon, it's going to be very hard to see even zero point 0.1 BTC. It's going to be very hard because most people will be buying Bitcoin in fractions of 0.00000. It's going to be very hard. So Bitcoin currently at 22,875 is still underpriced. Okay. So aside this, let me briefly show you a couple of things that you will learn in our crypto training program. Okay. So what we do is that the main aim of our crypto training program is to actually, educate newbies, especially people who are really not aware of what is going on, because there's a whole lot going on right now. It's just like a second financial reset. Remember, the first one happened in Bretton Woods in 1944 when over 44 countries of the world came to Bretton Woods, and they decided how to run the world financial system. That was when in IMF and in the International Monetary Fund and also the Federal Reserve and the rest of those institutions were created. All right. So that was when that happened. And we've all seen the effect of that meeting, even up to 1971 when Richard Nixon came on board and canceled the gold to dollar convertibility, which went against the Bretton Woods Accord. So that was the first phase. But whatever they did, at 1944, which is almost about 100 years, has actually affected us, it has affected us for many decades. Right now, there is a new global financial reset going on, and that is the replacement of fiat currencies into digital currencies, and that's where blockchain and cryptocurrencies have come to play. So blockchain and cryptocurrencies is the only way forward for the world's financial system, because it is the only transparent financial system in the world. All right. Everything they created in Bretton Woods is never transparent. We all know that. For example, you don't know how the banks do their transactions. You don't have access to their database. But in the world of blockchain, you have 100% access. All you need is just a transaction hash ID and the wallet address through which the transaction took place. Okay, so there's an enormous opportunity in the crypto space. All right, so even though Bitcoin is now at 22,900, it's still very early. This is just like where internet was in 1995, 1996. Okay, so because you know that, see, blockchain is going to do to money or finance what the internet did to information. All right, so that is why we are very much serious about this training, so that we can teach as many people, as many people a whole lot in the crypto space. Okay, so let's go and see what. Sorry, let's go and see what you will learn in our training program, right? So these are websites. Sorry, this let me refresh and see. Okay, this website is actually very secured. Okay, we're working with the expert team to activate the SSL. So don't be afraid. JeksCryptoExchange.com. This is where you can buy and sell your basic cryptocurrencies like your Bitcoin, your Ethereum. If you're in Nigeria, if you're in Ghana, wherever you are. So you just you can pay with the Naira option. You can pay with the CD option. We're trying to incorporate other payment gateways across the world so as to make it more global. A whole lot of work is going on right now on the site. So we intend also to introduce the e-commerce platform where you can buy and sell, where you can actually buy products with your cryptocurrencies, but that is still work in progress. We're still working on that. So let's go straight to our crypto/fiat education. Remember, this training is not just a cryptocurrency training. Okay, you're going to be trained how to trade both fiat currencies and cryptocurrencies. And when I mean fiat currencies, I'm talking about how to trade markets like the forex market. All right, the euro, the dollar, the pounds, the yen. Those are the fiat currencies, right? So you're going to learn how to trade them, on the forex market, on the stock market, on the options market, and then we'll take you into the crypto space. The reason why we'll do this is because the trading, when it comes to trading, it started from the fiat trading and now into crypto trading. So we take you into the forex market, show you some key market indicators and key technical analysis, which you can also apply when you're trading the crypto space. For instance, when I opened the exchange that I did in the beginning of this video, I was able to tell you what exactly the Bitcoin trend is doing. You understand? So that is what you'll be able to do when you understand the market. All right. So that's what you're going to learn. So in our first week here, in our week one, I need to zoom this up a little. Okay. Yes. So in our week one, you're going to be learning the history of money. All right. There's a saying that if you don't know your roots, then you have no foundation. All right. If you don't know your history, rather, then you have no foundation. It's like a tree without foundation. All right. So you need to know the history of money. How did it all started? These are topics that you can never be taught even in your schools. The reason is because the powers that be that created the fraudulent, so to speak, the fraudulent fiat system, they don't want you to know about money. All right, they don't want you to know how they came about it. So you just go to school, come out and look for who to work for and make a piece of the pie. All right, so we'll teach you the history of money and get you to understand how it all started, where the world is today, and the world's future currency. All right, then we'll bring you into the investment opportunities in the crypto space and how you can assess them, the advantages of both the crypto currency space and the fiat system, the relationship between the cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. What is the relationship between them? All right. In week two, we'll take you on how to make short-term, mid-term, and long-term investment in the crypto space for maximum profit. There's a whole lot of profit in the crypto space if you understand it. All right. We'll also walk you through on how to create the best secured wallet you can imagine, and also how to secure your account. Okay. in numerous cryptocurrency exchanges across the globe. We're going to be talking about that. Then week 3, we're going to trading. This is where you begin to apply how to trade altcoins and bitcoins on various exchanges. You can see, we'll teach you how to trade on Bittrex, on Binance, a whole lot of exchange platform. Once you learn how to trade on one, with the knowledge that you have, you can be able to trade on any digital currency exchange. Okay, so you're going to learn that. We're also going to introduce you into Ethereum blockchain and decentralized applications, smart contracts, and also DFIs. All right. In week 4, we'll talk about social engineering related attacks. Okay, how to dodge these scammers. All right, and how you can also differentiate between scams and genuine blockchain projects. Okay, so there's a whole lot of other things you're going to learn after this training. Not just this one, we're going to add you to our cryptocurrency community group where you'll be getting daily updates on what is going on in the crypto space, and also market analysis on when and where not to invest in a particular coin and why you should take advantage of some opportunities. Okay, all you need to do here is to just click here and fill the simple form. All right, when you fill that questionnaire, you send it to us. We're going to follow you up as quickly as possible. All right, so don't forget, come to jekscryptoexchange.com, go to our crypto/fiat education. All right, and click on this form here, watch the introductory video. Okay, and click on this form here to join our training today. Remember, the next set of millionaires will never come from the oil and gas industry anymore. They would come from blockchain and strategic crypto investors. Make the time today to become one of those strategic investors. Remember, it is not all crypto investors that is going to make money, but what? The strategic ones are going to make good money, and those who pay attention to the crypto space. Remember what Bitcoin did between 2010 and 2020. Ask yourself, what will it do between now and 2030? So if you missed the cryptocurrency space between 2010 and 2020, you can't afford to miss it between 2020 and 2030. It's going to be disastrous, right? So take advantage of that. And we hope to see you join our training program. You're going to learn a whole lot when you join this program. Thank you very much.